your reference to buckets is helpful because there is no single asset class that is deserving of 100% of your time, attention, and resources. I look at precious metals as one of many investments, and there are specific ways to utilize precious metals effectively, right? So that's one bucket, and there's different in that market. There are arbitrage opportunities and an ability to compound ounces in a very compelling way. So even if you said, well, it's just sitting there collecting dust. No. I would tell you that after 50 years of being in the business as a family, there are very productive ways to turn 1,000 ounces of silver into 2,000 ounces of silver without adding money to that portfolio or gold or what have you. So management style within a bucket is also important. First bucket, precious metals. Second bucket, cash. The third bucket, real estate. The fourth bucket, stocks and bonds. And the fifth bucket would be sort of private assets. That could be private equity and alternatives. It could be a business that you own and control, right? So not everybody has the fifth bucket if you're talking about an entrepreneurial venture, but you might have that fifth bucket if it was in the alt category, where again, it doesn't fit the traditional daily traded stocks and bonds, cash, precious metals, or real estate. But there's ways that as a steward you can engage and harness income and growth within each of those buckets. And that's where, appreciating what value looks like, deepening your understanding of the dynamics that drive each one of those asset classes. Some people choose to have one focus on one asset class. I think the best way to approach stewardship and wealth management across multiple generations is to say, appreciate the value that each of these buckets can provide. Precious metals will never provide the same kind of income component that, say, a commercial real estate portfolio would have, right? And there's risks and potential pitfalls within commercial real estate that you are not going to have within multifamily or single family. I mean, so all that complexity is a part of our ongoing effort to understand and make wise decisions in each of those areas. Diversification, I take as a given, with each of those buckets being an opportunity to learn and to grow and to come alongside experts who can shorten the time frame, steepen the learning curve, and help us get farther along in terms of the progress of stewardship.